let's check out the new SoundPeats Air6 HS wireless earphones. And these over here probably are the best value for money earphones if you want extremely long battery life, also very good quality with top line features and also excellent comfort as well. Inside the box we are getting our earphones, very well protected. Also we are getting a bunch of paperwork here as well. And what's cool, we even get a bunch of free stickers as well with these. And also your manual. We are also getting a very nice case with them. So with the case, literally we can get 45 hours of battery life, which is absolutely insane for this price. By the way, if you are looking to get these, in the description I'll include some special discount links and also coupons that you can use and get them for the cheapest price possible. So at the time of filming, literally only around $40 if you follow those links. As see, they can be charged using Type-C, and also we have the forced pairing button here as well. And I have the fully black version here. When it comes to build quality, I see these look absolutely superb. So very high-end indeed. Definitely looks more expensive than actually they are. Also we are getting fairly decent microphones on these. So you see they're SoundPeats branded here. And when it comes to comfort, these also are actually very decent. So I have been using them now for a while, and generally they actually sit very well in your ear. So yeah, the comfort actually is very decent on these. So when you wear these, you really can't even feel them that you have inside. And if you want to, for example, pair them with your smartphone, first simply download the SoundPeats app, open up your case, so leave them aside, and then simply go in your Bluetooth settings. And you should see them here. So you see, click on the earphones first, let them pair. Okay, and then if we go in the app, click this, I see you can add them here. So I see they can automatically get added here. Wait a bit. I see also I have updates, so let's update them as well. And also the app is very advanced on these as well. First, as you see, you can easily check the battery level of your case and also each earbud as well. Also, yep, we can literally even enable spatial audio as well. To get these features at this price, I think that's absolutely ridiculous. Also, we have touch controls as well on these, and we can even customize them. So you see different ways how to bring them up. And for example, yeah, you want to customize here. As you see, you can do pretty much everything here, so you can set them up just as you want. Also, if you do not care about the touch controls, you can also even disable them here, so that's cool. Also, check this, we literally even have dual device connection as well, so you can actually use with multiple devices at the same time. And also we have EQ as well. Either you can choose from one of the presets here, okay, or also you have the adaptive EQ as well, where you can customize it just as you really want. And yep, we even can also enable the LDAC function as well. So again, to get this at this price, I mean, that's absolutely ridiculous. But if you actually enable the LDAC, your gaming mode, essentially low latency mode, won't be available, and also the spatial audio also won't be enabled. Yeah, if you want to enable it, so the earphones will essentially restart, reboot. Let's wait a bit. Okay, so you see they're back on, but again, so we can't enable the spatial audio after that if you want to use the DAC. So yep, also we have the low latency mode, essentially if you are playing games and want the fastest response times, these also have got you covered. Also dynamic EQ. Drainage function, essentially if you get this wet, I suppose, you can also drain water out of them. So you see the app also, yeah, looks very decent on these. And when it comes to sound quality, before I got these, I really had no idea how they will be, since again these are obviously more affordable earphones compared to other ones, but generally when it comes to sound quality, they're actually very impressive, so I absolutely love the sound quality on these. So overall they're actually very crisp overall, so the sound is very natural and very clear. Essentially at this price usually, if you actually pay again, maybe like $40 or $50 for earphones. Again, they obviously do not have the most premium sound quality, but on these, actually, yeah, I'm very satisfied overall. And these easily match, in my opinion, yeah, even maybe something RD in $100 range. By the way, I also have used two other SoundPeats wireless earphones, and generally this is really the same situation on their other earphones as well. If you consider the price, they're definitely punching well above their price. And also let's check out the microphone quality on them as well. So currently I have them inside in my ears, and this is what they would sound like if, for example, someone calls you and you pick up the call. A quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog, while Peter was pickling his peppers in the backyard. And also, let me actually take them out, and I will position them maybe like 15 centimeters away from my mouse. And this is what they sound like when you start speaking pretty much directly inside them. A quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog, while Peter was pickling his peppers in the backyard. And I'm back on my normal microphone. By the way, I'm using literally around $400 dedicated microphone to record these videos, so the quality difference obviously will be quite notable. But yeah, just for calls, I think these are absolutely fantastic and you really can't complain much. If you want to use them for some kind of studio recordings, then obviously we really still have to consider the price of them. But still, yeah, just for calls, can't really complain much. And yeah, finally, also when it comes to battery life, again, this also actually surprised me. So to get 9 hours, basically on a single charge, that's pretty much unheard. Usually, even on much more expensive earphones, you're usually getting maybe like 6 hours, but literally 9 hours basically on a single charge. So if you place these in your basically charging case, you are getting up to 45 hours. So you can recharge them essentially like 5 times, I guess, or maybe 4 times from the case. And also when it comes to charging speeds, these are also absolutely blazing fast. So literally, if you place them in the case for 10 minutes, you have enough juice in them for them to last literally 3 hours. And overall, is a new Air6 HS actually worth it, and should you maybe get these earphones? Well, yep, if you're looking for extremely advanced earphones with top-line features, then these are pretty much unbeatable. Not only the sound quality is absolutely superb on these, also we have really pretty much the best battery life that you can get on any earphones. So even if you spend like 4 or 5 times more, you really can't beat the battery life that you can get on these. And yeah, sound quality also sounds absolutely superb, very comfortable when you are listening to them. And overall the sound is very clear and crisp. So again, even if you listen to them for several hours, they obviously do not create any fatigue, unlike other earphones at this price essentially. So yeah, sound quality decent, features good, build quality absolutely superb, and for literally like around $40 only, I do not think you can actually get a better pair of these type of earphones. By the way, thanks SoundPeats for sending these over to check them out. Okay, good luck.